Ayo let's go. Ayo ndang mulai. Engko gak sok macet senajan tahun baru ki wong-wong padhaan. Everybody go for New Year. Better we go home soon. Let's go. Iya. If you want a traffic in the street, you cannot go home. So no melolo. Boh, maju. Go.
Hello, Saling friends. Did you hear the mother saying something in more than 3 languages? What are the languages? First, Japanese. Second, English. Third, Indonesian. And fourth, Madurese. So let's get started to study each of these languages. The first thing that I want to mention is when the mother is saying, you wanna traffic? Well, it's supposed to be, do you want to get trapped in the traffic? The second one, when you say year, it's going to be year, new year, and the rest of it perfect. Wong, maju, no malolo, which means you got the point, right?
Sastra Lingua Indonesia. Expertise in quality.